Hey everybody, I'm here today with a beginner ukulele tutorial on the D chord. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to play the D chord on the ukulele. And this is a beginner tutorial, so let's get right into the video. The D chord is a medium difficulty chord to play. It's not the easiest, it's not the hardest, it sort of falls somewhere in between. And it only uses one fret, but you have to have 3 fingers on that same fret on 3 different strings. So you really need to manipulate your fingers to work well, and I'll show you how I learned how to do it. So let's get right into this. Essentially, you're gonna have your fingers on the 2nd fret, okay, for the 1st string, 2nd string, and 3rd string. So the top 3 strings are gonna be on the 2nd fret. The bottom string will ring open, okay? What I like to do is get my index finger on the top string, okay, on the 2nd fret, my middle finger on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret, and then my ring finger on the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. Now, before you play, you want to make sure all your fingers are on the fret, not on the actual line, but in between those lines. And play each string to make sure they ring out properly. Good. 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 And then that should be open, the bottom one. Together. There's your D chord. That easy. That's it. Practice. And what you can do is practice removing your fingers, getting your fingers back into position as quickly as possible. Just like that. The more that you practice, the better that you'll be. And that's it. Just make sure you have a good amount of pressure on that 2nd fret, and you'll be good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.